Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of There Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 37. So here it is. Let's read the story. Speaking of which, the CEO of Semyong Technology has also the surname C, and his facial features are somewhat similar to Sian's. Maybe it's a coincidence. Now, you've done a great job on this, and you work hard on your juring period. When you're done, spend some time with your daughter, her boss said to her. Right now, I haven't seen Nunu for a long time. When will take her out to play? Now her boss asking about Nunu. Well, she's really fond of Nunu, right? At the moment, Lu Shishao said, I plan to take her on the vacations during the Chinese New Year. Now, looking at her, she looks really calm. Probably the deal with the Sian's father turns well. That's why right now she is not so haggard. It's nice to have a daughter around. Like me, I am alone. I will not go home during the Spring Festival. It's also good to have parents and talk about it. Well, right now, Shishao suddenly became sad. Well, she thinks about the fuss. But for now, I'm going to see the German on New Year's Day. She hasn't been in good health. I heard she's sick again. Do you want to come with me? Now her boss is asking her, but suddenly they got interrupted. There's someone knocking on the door. Well, could it be that it be a visitors? Right now, two of them are looking at each other. They look around. Who is the visitors this time? Well, these two girls has a resemblance of each other. The difference is only the hair color. The secretary puffed out and said, Miss Shu, Miss Aoki is here. Well, Miss Aoki, she is the daughter of one of the clients. Asked her to go back. Well, the boss rejected the visitor. She don't want to see her. Looking at her, she looks really angry. But Miss Aoki is the daughter of a big client after all. The secretary has been surprised by the actions of the boss towards the daughter of the client. Right now, Miss Aoki puffed out. She is the daughter of the president of Nippon Tensei Corporation, ex-girlfriend of Shu Mingxi. Well, that's the reason. That's why Mingxi don't want to see her. Right now, the look on two of them seems that they're looking forwards on what's gonna happen. Well, Toshiki, right now, Aoki, she was talking to Mingxi. Mingxi, she's not responding to her endearment. Right now, she looks really serious. Mr. Shu, I'm going to get busy first. Shi Shao said goodbye to the boss. Looking at her, she looks really confused on what's happening to the two of them. Well, the door finally clicked. Lu Shishao went out. Living in the room is Shu Mengxi and Aoki. So, there's no problem within them. Right now, the two of them are keeping silence. There's no one talking. Probably, they're shy. And who's gonna start the conversation? Mingxi, who was just now? Shu Mingxi said it was a friend. Right now, she's pertaining to Lu Shishao. Well, did you really get jealous about Lu Shishao? Will your friends call you Mr. Shu? Well, it's kind of formality. Right now, it seems that this girl was really jealous, and Miss Mingxi was not talking about it. She kept herself silent. Maybe that's why Miss Aoki was asking so many questions. Right now, I didn't mean to break in, but you wouldn't have seen me this way. Shu Mengxi still looks really angry. Well, for Miss Aoki, right now she put her hand on her shoulders. Probably wants to assure her that she already changed. But given the situation, it seems that Shu, right now, said to herself, let go of me. Let's talk. At least give me a chance to explain myself. Well, she was right. Right now, Miss Mingxi, your father has returned to Japan. What are you doing here? Turns out, your father was not here. She was only left here. Well, what is the reason? I have no intentions of leaving this time. Miss Aoki, right now, she seems to be serious. Right now, she hugged Miss Mixie. I have divorced Hideyuki, the child. I also... Well, did she really mean this? She divorced her husband. She leave her child. Has to be with Mr. Shu. Secretary Chang called the security. Mr. Shu, right now, she really gets angry. That's why she wants Aoki to go out in this company. Right now, Toshiki. She was calling Mingxi. Looking at her, she looks really pitiful. Although right now, Lu Shishao goes out, Mr. Shu and Miss Aoki were obviously so good in the fuss, but who knew what will happen later? Well, she was right and now she got confused. She passed by on the rector's office. Right now, she went out. Lu Shishao, she seems to be tired. Looking at her, she was sighing. It's such a bad thing. Well, of course, different person has a different reason. For this, we don't know yet what's the reasons why they break up. Suddenly, Lu Shishao's phone's ringing, and it turns out it was Teacher C who was calling her right now. Well, did she really want to answer her? Lu Shishao seems to be surprised. Xian was calling her, and now she was really surprised if there's happened in the school or to her daughter. Teacher C, what happened to Nunu? Now she looks really worried. She thought there's something happened to Nunu. But it turns out it was not the problem. Teacher C said to her, sudden call the name. Well, Teacher C don't want her to call teacher. Instead, call her by her real name. Right now, Xian said, hurry up. Lu Shishao don't have any choices but to call her Xian. Well, right now, she really get crooks. Is this off work? There are 5 minutes left. Don't work overtime today, Xian said to her. Well, she was really sweet. Shishao said, the car is limited to license today, right? Lu Shishao, she knows that Xian was tricking her. Right now, she said so to her. Lu Shishao, you are talking in the end. Well, for Lu Shishao, she knows that Xian always wants to tease her, also to provoke her. Right now, Xian was there. I'm downstairs in your company. Oh, looking at Xian, she looks really gorgeous. Her car, it's really a sports car. Maybe she really gets jealous to the last man who she shows with. That's why right now, she bring the nicest sports car to pick her up. Xian said to her, when you get off work, I'll take you home. Well, she looks really happy now. Xian, she was really a trickster. Lu Shishao better take care of herself. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!